Superintendent of Police Churachandpur, Sri Shivanand Surve, IPS, has arrived and he will receive salute from the contingents. RTC has arrived. So contingents, be ready for a commando. Please take over. Our chief guest of today's program, 75th Independence Day celebration, Sri Pawan Yadav, IAS, Deputy Commissioner, Churachandpur, will now receive salute from the contingents. Now, Parade Commando will invite our chief guest to inspect the contingents.
75 Independence Day Parade आपके निरीक्षण के लिए हाजिर है श्रीमान
The first contingent we have today is the ex-serviceman contingent commanded by Honorary Captain Pamoy Kiprian.
Ini sign na.
And next we have the civil policeman contingent commanded by Sub-Inspector L. Kamboy Tokhan. And here we have the IRB band party commanded by L. Surjit Sharma. Next we have the civil police women contingent commanded by Sub-Inspector Ngai Hoi Kim Tung Nong. And lastly we have the ADCC Sentry Workers commanded by Thian Khasiam and flag bearer Lulun Chonto. Please be ready. Inspector T. Thang Tin Lun Hauke, flag hoisting in charge.
Break! Rastra salute! Trave! Set!
Can you all please rise from our seats to show our respect for our national flag and national anthem?
Break! Bajo! Chest!
Please be seated.
Break! Speed drum!
On this 75th anniversary of our independence, I extend warm greetings to all of you present in Peace Ground and to the people of Churachandpur. This day has a special significance as it marks the beginning of the 75th year of India's independence, for which Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav is being celebrated. My hearty congratulations to you all on this occasion. Long years ago, great Indian leaders made a tryst with the destiny to give us a free and peaceful country by sacrificing their comfort of life. Today, we are gathered here to celebrate Independence Day without any fear and having happy faces just because of our brave forefathers. We can only remember them from their deeds and make a heartily salute while celebrating the national events. They will always be in our hearts. India got independence on 15th of August in 1947. It was a great day for all the people when India's tricolor flag was hoisted by the then Prime Minister of India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru at Red Fort, Delhi. At the dawn of our independence, we lit the glowing lamps of modernity and equitable economic growth. To keep this flame aflame, our highest priority has to be the elimination of poverty. Though a declining trend in the poverty is visible, our fight against the scourge is far from over. The district administration Churachandpur has been undertaking several measures for multi-dimensional development in all fields by leaps and bounds. The district administration has not only put sincere efforts to provide good governance, but also planned various innovative projects to improve the overall administration. Many of the flagship initiatives have been designed to promote the well-being of the society. water supply scheme under Jal Jeevan Mission aims to cover 430 villages to supply water of good quality and sufficient quantity to every household. Further, 177 villages had been proposed to be covered under New Development Bank. 20 projects under Jal Jeevan Mission have already been completed and inaugurated on 15th of March 2021. The functional household tap connections have gone up from 39% to 55% since January 2021. To be the first in the hill districts of Manipur and second district in the state, Churachandpur PHED have obtained NABL accreditation on 16th of April 2021 for testing on 9 parameters in the water testing laboratory located at PHED office, Churachandpur. Under 15th Finance Commission funding, various maintenance works such as improvement of Zone 1 intake, Zone 3 water treatment plant and providing of water in schools were carried out in convergence with Autonomous District Council through 15th Finance Commission funding. Further, a number of borewells were drilled for public use. Under the contingency fund, 3 community sanitary complexes, viz. At Kukin Churachandpur complex, YPA hall and S. Jeja village were constructed. 1 plastic management unit at Sahenjang village was also taken up. 1 water tanker has been purchased, which is under maintenance and will be running within a week to meet the challenge of the growing water demand. Churachandpur district is included among the most affected 272 districts of India in drug abuse by people for taking up campaign against menace of drug addiction and substance use abuse under Nasha Mukt Bharat Abhiyan under Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. Many awareness generation program has been done. Various rallies have been organized with the help of District Police, Nehru Yuva Kendra, NGOs, civil societies, local clubs, schools and general public in the whole district. Social Welfare Department is undertaking several steps to implement various schemes. A total of 5,290 beneficiaries have been identified under Indira Gandhi National Old Age Pension Scheme, 451 under Indira Gandhi National Widow Pension Scheme. Moreover, 3,104 beneficiaries have been released pension under Manipur Old Age Pension Scheme. 321 beneficiaries are availing payment of rupees 1,500 per month through DBT under CMST. 4 schools of the districts are selected as model school under the School Phagatanshi Mission. In January 2021, the model school for Singhat Assembly constituency, that is Singhat Government High School, was inaugurated. On the same day, inauguration of the new building of Zonal Education Office at the Paimuk Road, Churachandpur has been done, which will further help in improving the education infrastructure. Under the second phase of School Phagatanshi Mission, 4 schools were selected from our district. The schools are Tuitingphai Government High School, Gandhi Memorial Government High School, Vimla Rana Government High School and Ningtinching Government High School. To develop and improve these schools, they will be provided necessary infrastructure, materials for library, special desks and benches. Pre-primary classes will also be opened in these schools. With motive of serving people through implementing development works and delivering fast and efficient service, the Autonomous District Council Office has also taken visible activities. The procurement of JCB, truck tipper and 3 sanitary tippers have with compartments under the 3rd Manipur State Finance Commission and 15th Finance Commission grants have strengthened the solid waste management system. The funds received under 3rd Manipur State Finance Commission and 15th Finance Commission grants were also utilized for the construction of culverts, ring wells, bore wells, urinal sheds, reservoirs, waiting sheds, IVR, maintenance and shingling of existing roads covering all areas under ADC Churachandpur. Construction of 5 new barrack-type teachers' quarters and 2 new school buildings will provide better infrastructure for teachers and students community, thereby providing better education to the children of the state in general and Churachandpur district in particular. The ongoing construction of PSA oxygen plant at District Hospital Churachandpur under the 15th Finance Commission grants, when completed, will provide the required oxygen for all the patients of Churachandpur and Fazol district. The procurement of 3 ambulances under the 15th Finance Commission grants also provided the much needed transport facilities for the patients. The ADC office has also initiated integrated solid waste management project by placing orders for plastic recycling machines and incinerator under 15 financial commission grants. The civil works are also going on in full swing at second dumping site. The project is set to become one of the first in the state that has almost all the components for sustainable waste management. The project will fulfill the dream of a waste-free environment. Churachandpur Forest Division aims to cover as much area as possible under plantation to restore and reclaim the green cover of the district and manage to cover an area of 600 hectares under plantation on community, private and forest land during 2021 under various schemes. The Forest Division has raised 4,71,250 seedlings during the current financial year in order to achieve the above mentioned goal of seedling plantations covering 600 hectares of land. The Forest Division also had worked tirelessly on raising the seedlings for free distribution of saplings to the public on the occasion of Van Mahotsav celebration this year. A total of 1,75,000 saplings were distributed to the public covering 178 villages and around 480 beneficiaries during Van Mahotsav 2021, which itself is a milestone record for Churachandpur Forest Division. While focusing more on plantation activities, it is vital for the division to check the transit of forest produce within its jurisdiction. With the active vigilance of the frontline staff along with assistance from the armed forces of the district, Churachandpur Forest Division managed to register 5 forest offences cases from April 2021 till date. The district police since January to July 2021 had collected an amount of rupees 5,15,000 through execution of 1,110 challans against violation of COVID appropriate behavior and traffic violation. Churachandpur police has made seizure of 8.39 kgs of heroin, 150.7 kgs of raw opium, 2 kgs of marijuana, and 615 numbers of WY tablets. A total of 285 acres of poppy plantation was destroyed. 28 illegal Kenbo bikes were seized and handed over to the Customs Department. Moreover, in solution to the insufficient number of barricades on the road of the Churachandpur Traffic Police in an innovative approach have set up bamboo barricades made by their own personnel. It is heartening to note that the first PSA oxygen plant of 200 litre per minute capacity was inaugurated on 26th May 2021. The district has 2 COVID care centres, one at Lingsify at Lanwa TD block with a capacity of 50, and a new COVID care centre was opened in Churachandpur Government College where the capacity was enhanced from time to time, and the present capacity being 210. The district hospital isolation ward, the capacity had been increased from 20 to 54 in June 2021. Our scientists have developed vaccine in a very short span of time. If we have learned our lessons well, we know that this is a time for extra care and caution. We shall not let our guard down. Vaccines are the best protection science offers to us. More than 1 lakh people have been vaccinated in Churachandpur with first dose and around 23,000 people with second dose of vaccine. I urge all eligible citizens who are yet to get vaccinated to do so at earliest and also to inspire others. Churachandpur has also got its first medical college which will provide the best medical facilities to people of Churachandpur and neighbouring districts and states apart from training 100 students a year. Construction work for Churachandpur Medical College with prefab structure is going on and is expected to take 100 MBBS students from the current year. Construction work for Churachandpur Nursing College is in progress after the foundation stone was laid down by Honorable Chief Minister on 30th June 2021. On this occasion, I would like to compliment our frontline workers, the selfless service rendered by them beyond the call of duty, endless day and night working for the society and nation. They epitomize the belief and endless service to the humanity. On this occasion, I would also like to compliment our uniformed forces for maintaining law and order in the district. Due to improved law and order in the district, the administration has shown a significant improvement in terms of governance and implementation of above flagship programs. At the end, I would like to give special thanks to all frontline workers, leaders, volunteers, and various civil society organizations and the general public for the support and cooperation extended to the district administration in our fight against COVID-19. With those words, I once again wish all of you a happy Independence Day and wish all of you a very bright and fulfilling future. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir, for that 75th Independence Day celebrations message.
Stop! Cut!
Now, parade commander will take permission to disperse the contingents.
Sriman, parade dismiss Secretary Adumati Satau. Sriman.
And in the meantime, Miss Evelyn, please be ready.
Parade! Tajib, Baye, put! Baye se, te, chal!
Now I'd like to call on Miss Evelyn to present a patriotic song called Tere Mitti.
ना देख मुझे यूं मुड़ मुड़ के तेरा मेरा निकलगा खून का तेरी मिट्टी में गुल बन के मैं इतनी से है दिल की आरज़ू तेरी नदियों में बह जावा तेरी फसलों में लहरावा इतनी से है दिल की आरज़ू Happy Independence Day. Thank you.
ที่ผมกันตากตัวฟังอาวัดกลากนายพระมึงทะรุ
I'd like to first call on the district hospital, Churachandpur, to receive the appreciation certificate. District hospital, Churachandpur, to anyone to receive on their behalf. Samaritan Nursing Home. Samaritan Nursing Home. Thangkohan Housekeep Section Officer, BDO Tibong. DLL Road Lane, MIS Operator, BDO, SDO Psychot. And will be followed by LV Tunglut, OIC Sangaikot Police Station. Romel Gandhi, Officer in Charge, Singar Police Station. N. Thangsamuan, Officer in Charge, Churachandpur Police Station. N. Thangsamuan, Officer in Charge, Churachandpur Police Station. D. Lian Kansang, Officer in Charge, Behiang Police Station. Next we have Chin Nelam Gangte, Officer in Charge, Women Police Station. Next we have T. Thangkilun Hauke, Reserve Officer to SP Churachandpur. And next we have P. Beven Gangte, in charge Reserve Line, District Headquarters, Churachandpur. Next we have P. Lalmal Somzo, Sub Inspector. Next we have James Lianzago Vaiphe, in charge Traffic Police Unit, Churachandpur. Next we have Dong Swan Mung Buite, Reserve Officer to SP Churachandpur. Next we have Thangtin Sadnisa, Constable. Next we have El Sangkang Simtid. Next we have Srimati T. Langpanyang, APS, DIC Churachandpur. This is Srimati T. Langpanyang. And next we have Srimati Rothin Thin. Next we have London Moira, LDC, Town Office, ADC, Churachandpur. David Lalkhansang, MTF, Town Office, ADCC. David Lalkhansang. Okay, let's move on to the next. Dong Tian Mang, MTF, Town Office. That is David. Dong Tian Ma. Srimati Lal Bhagliani. AMM Medical Department, ADC Churachandpur. Srimati Zaman, AMM Medical Department, ADCC. Srimati Kim Nun Siam, anak Kikingo. Srimati Zaman, AMM Medical Department, ADCC. Srimati Kim Nun Siam, AMM Medical Department, ADCC. Tyson Naisir, Zimmerdar, First IRB. T. Paulian Thang, Zimmerdar. R.K. Rajendra Singh, Zimmerdar, First IRB. C.H. Dineshwar Singh, Havildar, First IRB. C.H. Dineshwar Singh. S. Budi Singh, Rifleman. MD Kalam. MD Kalam. M. Jivan Singh, Rifleman. Paugo Mao, Rifleman. H. Hangson Liang, Rifleman. Hangson Liang, Rifleman. P. Thang Sang, P. Thang Sang, absent. Thang Lian Sang, rifleman. S. Hemanta Singh, leading fireman. S. Hemanta Singh. N. Ngam Min Loon, fireman. Please be on standby. N. Ngam Min Loon, fireman. Dr. Sushil Singh from Drum, medical officer in charge, PAC Sinzol. Please be on standby. Dr. Sushil Singh from Drum. Dr. Sanjan Nongran, medical officer, PHC Tehia. Dr. Takil Lambam Priyojit, medical officer, PHC Tehia. Dr. S. Robert Gindumam, Zo, please stand by. Dr. S. Robert Gindumam, Zo, medical officer in charge, PAC Saikot. Lydia Nyangpi, ANM, Tingkangpai. Nyang Khan Nen, ANM, New Lanka, PHSC. Dam Johnny, ANM, Kumbipukri, PHSC. Call Lalmei, ANM, please be on standby. Nyang Khan Nen, Dam Johnny, Call Lalmei. Rosie Thiem Boy. No. Niang Khobung. Niang Khobung. No. Nem Ngai Ching. Nem Ngai Ching. ANM Pearson Mun. Zamjit Thang. MHS Pearson Mun HWC. Zamjit Thang. And this one? Nem Ngai Ching and Nem Ngai Ching. Niang Khobung. Thian Mon Ching. Thian Mon Ching. Thian Mon Ching is here. Thian Salal. LPO Braka. LPO Bata. Muanlal Paul Buite. Muanlal Paul Buite. Vung Muan Cheng GNM. Nyang Ngai Vung, please be on standby. Vung Muan Cheng. Nyang Ngai Vung GNM. Ching Khan Loon, please be on standby. Man Ngai Hao. Niang Bet Kim, ANM. Niang Bet Kim. Ching Ngai Ning, please be on standby. Ching Ngai Ning. V Chin Biak Sang. Liang Khol Ching, please be on standby. Liang Khol Ching, Asha worker. Liang Khol Ching. S Thang Han Muan, billing assistant, CMO's office. Then Lalaram Hun, driver, CMO's office. Lalaram Hun.
Local rotate ticket. Coba hiung dia boleh.
That will be all, sir. Thank you. Now I'd like to request our DFO, Ms. Esther Serto, to give away the next group of awards. Team One Thang support staff. Team One Thang. One Thang is not here. Zamtian Lal Hangzhou, Junior Account Assistant, Treasury Office. Naimon Kim, Deputy Ranger, DFO's Office, Suchanpur. DH Hagwan Pao, Forest Guard, DFO Suchanpur. Satpal Sitlo. Ginbiakwan Wite, Forest Guard. Ginbiakwan Wite, Forest Guard. Kaimin Thang, Waipe, Forest Guard, please be on standby. Kaimin Thang, Waipe. H. Lalsang Wan, Technical Assistant. H. Lalsang Wan, Technical Assistant, Electric Department. Pencil Lian, Technical Assistant, Electric Department. Thanglian Lal Balte, Junior Technical Assistant, Electric Department.
Lo lagi pelai wa, lagi pelai wa kai laman lak man gede tu, man di belakang ni.
A. Tamphasana Chanu, District Social Welfare Officer. A. Tamphasana Chanu. H. Khub Zabiak DEO, please be on standby. H. Khub Zabiak DEO. Lalbanga Infirmate, grade 4 DIO, Chuchanpur. K. Khamlin Thang, Inspector, District Cooperative, Chuchanpur. Dr. Lalmal Som Balte, Veterinary Officer, Veterinary Department. Srimati Neiko Kim, UDC, District Fishery Officer, Office. Srimati Neiko Kim. Khai Tualian, Primary Teacher, SSA, Bethel Upper Primary School. Khai Tualian. Let's move on to the next. B. Chin Muan Thang. Upper Primary Teacher, Bethel UPS. Next. K.S. Dian Taitul, Primary Teacher, Moldak Primary School. Thang Swan Ching Saute, Primary Teacher, Songkot Primary School. Thang Swan Ching Saute. Pao Mei Dolly, Primary Teacher, Khai Mol Junior High School. Pao Mei Dolly. Skip. Sen Gong Pao Mei, Colombo, Primary Teacher, Lang Nong Phai, LPS. D. Thang Min Lin, Naisel, Primary Teacher, Kamgam, UPS. Golden Thang Songte, Primary Teacher, Molsin, LPS. P. Gomin Lin Gangte, Primary Teacher, Galway Primary School. N. Ginmin Lian, Primary Teacher, Belpon Primary School. Lowramban Radheshyam Singh, Librarian, KVBSF, Chuchanpur. Lowramban Radheshyam. No. Parul Gupta, Graduate Teacher, KVBSF. Srimati S. Chongboy Hauki, Proprietor, NKC Handloom. Gin Khan Pa, Proprietor, Zogam Bamboo. Kanthang Hauki, President, To receive on behalf of KKL, General Headquarters, Golan Swan Samung Naulak, founder, to receive on behalf of Highland Group, Jimmy K. Ganminlu, Coordinator Officer, VDVK Forest, Thingcha Gangte Self-Help Group, VDVK Forest, Lian Zapao Samte,
Hai lihat apa? Hello, hai hello. Ni dia.
S. Ramchinma, Election Supervisor, Election Department, Zamkhalian Housekeep Chief of Sumtin Home for achieving 100% COVID vaccination. NJ Hauneo Baike, President of KSO, to receive on their behalf.
Putih lah, lampu foto.
That you all know, ma'am. Thank you. So before we move on to the next group of awards, let's have We Dance Academy.
आजा आजा जिंदे शामी आने के कले हैं आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के कले हैं जय हो आजा आजा जिंदे शामी आने के कले हैं आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के कले हैं जय हो Parade Commander Sri David Kilong, MPS, SDPO Thanlon.
Next, we have the pilots. Okay, contingent. Ex-servicemen. Civil policemen. Civil policemen. Civil policewomen. Civil policewomen. ADCC, sanitary workers. Flag hoisting. IRB band party. Oh, what is that?
Congratulations.
Field Marshal. Field Marshalling team. Evelyn. We Dance Academy. We Dance Academy. Okay, that will be also. Thank you. Thank you all. Have a good day. Jai Hind.
Namaste.